the best homemade bread you're ever gonna make. Come with me and I'll show you how to do it. Andiamo! It's Saturday morning. Let's make some easy baguettes for the weekend. 2 cups of water. It's at 110 degrees. I'm using my thermometer. That's the ideal temperature. And now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of dry active yeast. I'm using the Red Star dry active yeast going in. And to that I'm going to add a teaspoon of sugar. And now we're just going to give this a little stir, and we're going to let this just do its thing for about 5 minutes or so. While the yeast is doing its thing, I'm going to add 4½ cups of bread flour to a bowl. Now, I'm doing it this way because one of my followers got mad because I put my flour in a Pyrex liquid, I guess one like this, and he said that is not the way you do it. You need to use these. I don't know. Been doing it the same way my whole life. Don't sweat the small stuff, guys. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Now it's time to add my yeast mixture. And you have to mix it carefully. A little bit at a time. I'll give it a mix. After gently mixing, it's going to look like shaggy and sticky. And we are just going to cover this with a dishcloth, and we're going to put this on the counter in a nice warm place for about 90 minutes, and then we'll come back and make the actual baguettes. Meanwhile, I'm taking Leo and Chloe for a walk. It's been 90 minutes, and look how that rose and how pretty that looks. Okay, now it's time to make the baguettes. I'm going to put a generous amount of flour on my surface here because this is kind of a sticky dough. And we're just going to gently take it out of the bowl because we don't want to lose those air bubbles. I'm going to flour the top, and then I'm going to take my pastry nut cutter and I'm just going to fold it over on itself, just like 4 times. And there's Samantha. I'm going to cut this in half because this will make 2 nice loaves. Take my dough and I'm just going to roll it gently and pull till it gets to the size baguette that I'm looking for. I'm going to give it a couple of twists, just like that. And now I have a baguette pan. You can get these in my showcase. These are great. They're perforated, so there's a lot of airflow, and it keeps the shape of the baguette. Put one right there. So you see, there's no kneading involved in this particular recipe. Now I'm going to take a knife and I'm going to make some slits across the top. And then this will go in the oven at 475 degrees for 25 minutes. But midway, I'm going to lower the temperature to 450. Fresh out.